The Tesla Cybertruck is one of the most iconic electric vehicles that are yet to be released to the public. It has grown a lot in popularity, and Tesla has the booking numbers to show for it. Reservations have passed beyond the set threshold of 1.2 million units. It occurred last week after more than 17,000 units of the Cybertruck were ordered. Tesla is months away from the production of the Cybertruck, after which they will be delivered to the public, and we will get to see them being driven on public roads. Elon Musk has had his speculations about the Cybertruck in the past. He was said to believe that the Cybertruck could become a major flop and never sell as well as the rest of Tesla's electric vehicles. The Reservations figures seem to be painting a very different real-time image. An official statement is yet to be released by Tesla, but there is a fan-generated reservations tracker which can be accessed online. According to that, the Cybertruck has an unofficial pre-order accumulating to 1,254,872 units. The potential revenue generated from these numbers is equal to a sum of more than $79 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, it seems as if the Cybertruck were a forerunner in the EV pickup sector when it gets released and delivered to customers. Other competitors like the Rivian R1T and Hummer EV do not have such booking figures to boast of. The most favorite variant of the Cybertruck is the dual motor configuration. The bookings of the dual motor variant comprise almost 48% of the total bookings. There is also a single motor variant that is not that popular among Cybertruck buyers. It only accounted for 7% of the total booking numbers. The 1 million unit mark for the Cybertruck bookings was already reached back in May of 2021. Tesla's made the Cybertruck unlike any other pickup truck in the market. It has a very distinguished design that does not stick to the norms of pickup truck designs that people have become accustomed to. 2022 is being predicted to be a very good year for the Cybertruck, with its mass production to be started by Tesla. The polarizing stainless steel alloy look of the Cybertruck is the biggest reason behind its popularity. Ever since it was unveiled back in November of 2019, both Tesla enthusiasts and pickup truck fans have found a liking for the Cybertruck, and the booking figures show this in detail. With the booking list of the Cybertruck growing substantially, it may take a couple of years for deliveries to take place to the customers who have placed their orders at the moment. These reservation holders may have to wait for quite some time. It was being widely speculated that the Texas Gigafactory would begin its operations with the production of the Cybertruck. However, that is not going to be the case. The second quarter 2021 earnings call had confirmed that Giga would first begin with the production of the Model Y crossover electric SUV. This topic was widely discussed previously by both Tesla fans and owners for quite some time, but now it has been clarified. Tesla deciding to go for the Model Y productions at Giga instead of kicking off the Cybertruck productions seems to be a much more strategic decision. There is a huge demand for the Model Y that is ever growing. It can be met easily by utilizing the equipment present at Giga. Let's not forget, however, that the equipment required to produce the Cybertruck is not all yet available at the Texas Gigafactory. Tesla requires an 8,000-ton gigapress to make the body components of the truck. Italian manufacturer Idra will be making the massive machine and will then install it at Giga. According to Idra, this is the largest press machine it has ever made for any manufacturer. The second largest to this was a 6,000-ton press, which is also used for the manufacturing of Tesla Model Y body parts. Both Tesla and Idra are very confident about the machines, but they will have to run some tests before fully starting the production of the Cybertruck. Tesla's not the only company that's producing electric pickup trucks. The Ford F-150 Lightning is an impressive electric EV that has become popular enough to have accumulated 120,000 pre-orders since being open for bookings in May of 2021. Other EV makers and their pickup trucks, however, have not been so fortunate. The Rivian R1T and the Lordstown Endurance have been facing their pre-production hurdles and are nowhere near Tesla. A huge benefit is enjoyed by Tesla by its being the first ever mover in the EV scene. Other companies that were either initially EV makers or legacy car makers shifting to EVs are not as famous as Tesla is. The success of the Cybertruck also comes from the positive PR that Tesla has been accumulating based on the results shown by the rest of its electric vehicle lineup. The Cybertruck is one successful project of Tesla, which is now poised to enter India. However, it's not going as smoothly as Mr. Musk's company would like it to go. The government officials from India declined the proposal of reducing the import duties for Tesla EVs. Tesla's been urging that as it is a sustainable vehicle maker, it should not be subject to import duties that high. Tesla's been petitioning the government to get the import taxes lowered before it can fully commit to making a production facility in India. It has led to no fruitful agreement between Tesla and the Indian government, however. All this can be translated into being a step backward for Tesla's entrance into Indian market. There have been a number of rumors going around the Tesla enthusiast community about the plans for an Indian gigafactory. Those rumors started growing right after Tesla applied and received 2 business licenses in India. This would have led to the imminent entrance of Tesla into the Indian market. However, Elon Musk came forward himself and shut down these rumors and made it clear that there are no plans for making a gigafactory in India in July. Tesla wants to play its Indian entrance strategically. To this end, it's going to first test the market response by importing and selling vehicles to India. A tweet from Mr. Musk, posted on the 23rd of July, stated that a factory in India is a likely possibility if Tesla is successful there based on the imported vehicles. This seems to be a strategic move, as Tesla will get to test the waters first and the demand for its vehicle before setting up a production facility. In financial terms, a production facility would require billions of dollars to set up and might become a gamble if Tesla was to produce vehicles in India first and then discover that nobody wants to buy them in the first place. The Indian government is willing to reduce the import duties by 40% on the condition that Tesla does commit to setting up a production facility in India. Tesla is not yet ready to agree to this, which definitely causes some tension. A recent turn of events occurred when the Indian minister Krishan Pal Gurjar stated that no government consideration is being talked about regarding import duty reduction. This was said by him to the parliament on behalf of the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Another point of view to all this is that the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is emphasizing locally manufacturing goods. As all the government ministries are currently run by him and his party, there is no willingness by India to reduce the import duties. This will in turn promote the local manufacturers of vehicles and other goods. India as a country does not have a history of adapting to electric vehicles. The EVs in India make up less than 1% of the annual car sales. Even though India is the 3rd largest country in Asia, the economic condition of the country does not allow it to rapidly go towards electrification. There is also a lack of needed infrastructure for supporting electric vehicles. EV production in India will also result in higher costs as compared to other conventional vehicles. The demand side of this equation is also very weak, as most consumers prefer to buy small and cheap vehicles. It will be very difficult to get on board the electrification. It all makes sense why Tesla wants first to test its luck in India before committing to a production facility. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.